Hello everyone, this is lesson number 12, HSK free, and let's continue. The first, and let's repeat. We learn 服务员, waiter, waitress, 客人, guest, 客人, next one, 超市, supermarket, 比赛, to compete, competition, 照片, photograph, 蛋糕, cake. Next one, 年级, grade, year of study. 悠悠, both good and, for example, expensive. 聪明, clever, intelligent. 热情, warm-hearted, enthusiastic. 努力, to make great efforts or diligent. 总是, always. And the first part for today is 回答, to answer, to reply. Because 回 it's to return, it's to back to someone. 答 it's to answer. So 回答 it's to answer, to reply. Let's see the examples. He answers my question. 他回答我的问题。他回答 he replied, he answers to what? To my questions. 我的问题。他回答我的问题。He answers my questions. 问题 is a question. Or maybe some problem, but here is question. Because you cannot answer to problem, but you can answer to question. Next one. She seriously answers the teacher. 她认真回答老师。他认真 he seriously 认真回答 to answer 老师 teacher. So 他认真回答老师。Last one. The guest answers enthusiastically. 客人热情的回答。客人 it's a guest or customer, and he answers enthusiastically. As you can see, again, this li, enthusiastically, we need this the, because 热情 it's adjective, but with the it's transforming to adverb. So 热情的回答 to answer enthusiastic. 热情的回答。Next one. It's I think we saw it before. It's Jan to stand, but we saw as a station, stop. For example, bus station, also this one. But as a verb, it used to stand. Jan. Let's see. He is standing. Oh, the next one is he's standing at the supermarket entrance. 他在超市门口站着。他在 he is at 在 at something. 超市 it's supermarket. 门口门it's entrance. I think we will meet this word very soon. 门口 it's entrance, for example, entrance of your house or building or supermarket. And 站着 it's to stand. Here's 着 creating continuous. So we can see standing. So we need 站着. He's not stand. He's standing at the supermarket. Is in this moment. And also, no, I think 着. So 他在超市门口 it's you can read it together. 超市门口站着。He's standing at the supermarket entrance. I think this one is okay. Next one, I'm tired from standing. 我真的很累。我真的很累。As you can see, this the represent how he's standing. He's standing as I think 很累 it's tired. You can say I'm tired from standing, or I'm standing tired. Let's see. I'm very tired. Okay. 我真的很累. I think this one is a bit complicated for now. This the like results of standing. 我真的很累. So let's skip for now. Next one. There is someone standing in the photo. 照片里有人站着。照片里照片 is photo. 里 inside. So inside of this photo. 有人 someone has a person or someone. 站着 standing. As you can see, the photo, he's not standing now in the photo, but he constantly standing in the photo. So it's an endless process. And that's why 站着 this 着 appear here. 照片里有人站着. There is someone standing in the photo. Next one we saw on the last lesson, but now we dive more deeply. 饿 to be hungry or hungry. 饿. So it could be a verb, could be adjective. I'm very hungry and want to eat cake. 我很饿 I'm very hungry. 很饿. So here is adjective. 想吃蛋糕想吃 and I want to eat. 想吃蛋糕 it's a cake. So 想吃蛋糕 I want to eat cake. 我很饿 Next one. He's always hungry. 他总是饿 always 饿 hungry. He always hungry or constantly hungry all the time. 他总是饿不饿 not hungry. Next one. Don't stand when you are hungry. When you're hungry. 饿的时候别站着. As you remember, 的时候 at the moment of something or when something. So 饿的时候 when you're hungry, at the moment when you're hungry, 饿的时候别 don't do something. 别站着 stand, or I think also here's 着 represent also continuous action. And John, I think John mostly works with 着 together. 站着饿的时候别站着 don't stand. So stand, it's long process, right? It's not like stand up. It's short action. But 站着 it's standing. So 饿的时候别站着. I think this 着 is really complicated for beginners. And but you can just like continuous. Just create from verb continuous, because standing, walk walking, come watch watching, something like that. Next one. 年轻 年 it's a year, age, year. 轻 it's light or young. So 年轻 it's young person. Let's see. She is very young. 她很年轻. She is very 年轻 very young. Next one. The young waiter is very clever. 年轻的服务员很聪明。年轻的 So you can say 服务员 it's a waiter, but which waiter? 年轻的 So we need just the to describe this 服务员。年轻的服务员 the young waiter. 很聪明 very smart. 很聪明 very smart. Very clever, very smart. 聪明。Next one. He is both young and diligent. 他有年轻又努力。他有 he and 年轻 and young and 努力 and diligent. 他有年轻有努力。有年轻有努力。And I think last one for today, it's 认真 attentive, conscientiousness, or serious. Let's see. She answers questions seriously. 她认真回答问题. As you can see again, we don't have the because it's also adverb by himself. So he doesn't need the. But you can add the just for more clearness. 他认真的回答他认真回答问题。She seriously or attentive 回答 to answer 问题 questions. 他认真回答问题。Next one. He studies very conscientiously. Consciously. 他很认真的学习。As you can see, here is they use the because it's just depend on what situation on situation on your will. 他很认真的学习。He studies very conscience. Let's see. It's not conciseness.
Conscientiously.
Conscientiously.
他很认真的学习。He studies very conscientiously. 很认真的学习。And last one, the teacher likes serious students. 老师喜欢认真学生。Here's we don't have the, but also can add. 老师 teacher 喜欢 to like something. Teacher likes. 认真学生认真 serious 学生 teacher or students. 认真的学生 or 认真学生。This one is also pretty clear. Let's repeat what we learned today. The first one is 回答 to answer, to reply. 站 to stand or station or stop station. 饿 to be hungry or hungry. 年轻 young. And 认真 seriously, serious, attentive, or conscientious. I think. And let's also learn one new idiom for today. Before we learn 水娟石梅 perfect or flawless. Next one 满斤百两 half of tin, so equally matched. 6 of one, half a dozen of other. So it's more Chinese history. And today we learn 风吹草动. 风 it's a wind, 吹 it's a blow, 草 it's a grass, and 动 it's a move. Let's see. The slightest sign of disturbance, very sensitive to changes. So the wind is blowing, the grass is moving. The wind blew the grass. Let's see. He gets scared at the slightest sign of trouble. 他倾倒，风吹草动，就害怕。他倾倒，倾倒 it's I think it's not to see something. Hear, listen, read, sound, copy. I think it's more like hear. For example, I hear this news. I can hear the engine. Like 听音乐. 听 is like listen, but 听到 is to hear something. So 他听到风吹草动，就害怕. And 就 it's like instantly, and just, and after that, immediately, 害怕. 害怕 it's to be scared of something, get scared. 他听到风吹草动，就害怕。风吹草动 sign of trouble. 风吹草动 also it's not very sensitive to changes, and also to be very easy to easy change your mind if someone else say you something. So easy to get under other opinion. Maybe someone say you are very good, and you say I'm good. Next one say you're very bad, and you say I'm bad. So it's too easy change your mind, depend on what other people think of you, and maybe they影响 I forgot this word. 影响 impact, affected, influence. So maybe other person influence to you is very big, even slightly influence, and you change very quickly. So this also represents a sentence. 风吹草动, because grass is very easily moved by 风. Slightly blow and grass instantly move. 风吹草动. Very interesting. So that's all for today, and we will continue in HSK 3, lesson 13, and we start with the word 感冒 flu, or to catch cold. Let's see.